guys, once again today we are visiting the Inchira Waterfalls. This is what I always say, that town to town trip, right? Town to town trip. Today we are visiting Inchira Waterfalls, the #1 waterfalls in Ghana, the biggest waterfalls in Ghana, and you're going to enjoy with me. So still stick and stay with me till this video ends. And we're going to do and see more. So be with us. Thank you. Finally, we are going to the Inchira Waterfalls, and you see how the water, see how the water is flowing here. Yes, we are there. We are there. So we are getting into the waterfalls, and we are follow up. Wow, look at me here. The water is so crazy. Wow, so nice. And God has done well. God has done well. Yes. Wow. The water is so nice. So yes, it's a waterfall. The water is flowing down there. But we will go down there for you to see what is going on at the down there. Oh God, we thank you. Actually, God has done well. So crazy. So crazy. Wow. If I see this kind of thing, and I'm being shocked. Wow. That's good. That's good. So let's start the water and see that water. It's all water. So here is the water. Oh shit. There is the waterfall. Wow. What a sprinkle. So as I was telling you, we are getting down there to see how the water is flowing down there. Please be with me. I'm even scared. Yeah, I'm really scared because the place that we are going is so but still be with us, okay? So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and say please, we beg you. You know how you're using things, how you're putting things together. We are trying to do everything together. It's so amazing, so crazy. So please subscribe for us, okay? So finally, here is Inchira Waterfalls, and see how the water is flowing there. Yeah, it's the #1 biggest waterfalls in Ghana here. Actually, this waterfalls is waterfall that's located in Wenchi Inchira Wenchi Intra. That's Bono region. Yeah, and this waterfalls is so powerful and great to the extent that God has made this waterfall in a certain way that we cannot even understand. And how this waterfall has been made is so crazy. But what we are urging our leaders here is that you see we don't even get time or we don't even get chance to go there. You see all the
favor and subscribe to the channel, like it, give comment down. And so this waterfalls is one powerful waterfalls, and as you see how the strength of the water is so mind-blowing. But what we can tell you here is that the reason why we wasn't able to get access to the closer to the water, now we are a little bit far away from the water, is that the place is full bushy. The place is bushy, all because of they don't have anybody who is helping them to take the or make the place clean. And if you are going to put things to analysis, you will see that this thing can generate a lot of money for the community itself and for the country itself. So please, I'm urging the leaders and the big men in this community or around Ghana and across Africa and across the world that if we can do this community favor and come and help the community that located at Inchra, when I was Inchra Bono region, Wenchi, that's where this place is located. Ghana Bono region in Wenchi Inchra, that's where this place is located. And if you can do them favor and help them for them to get whatever they want, they will be so happy with it, because this is the one biggest waterfall that we have across the world.
Wow. So today I'm so tired. The way I've walked, it's mind blowing. But what I can tell you is that now we are in the final place that we are going to leave you guys here, because we want them to enter into the where we want to get to. All because of how the place is bushy and we don't have any support and we cannot get there. That's why. So please, that one forgive us, and we are here to come to another stream, and here also is so powerful. Here is called Mansi HDD or Mansi HDD. Yeah, you see how the water is. So this is the water that flow, and it will go to the waterfalls, and it will be the most powerful waterfall that we are talking about. But what I want you to understand is that here, I want to take this opportunity or this advantage or this time on my channel to urge our leaders or urge those who have some, or those who are the entrepreneurs, or those who are the billionaires in the city and the towns in the country. And I'll urge you people to support this community. That's the Inchra community. And the community has a lot of tourist site resource, a site or sites that can give us great things that we can make our economy grow faster and make our society be so touchy and nice. And as you see how even I stand far away and project that kind of waterfall, you see how the water is flowing, or that the water is flowing. It's so mind blowing. And that one, you put all that thing aside, that is so crazy. But now we are here with a new catch. But please, I urge you guys, subscribe to me, okay? Do me a favor. Do me a favor. Thank you.